We're really excited to see this waterfall.
Some little cute monkeys. Only 490 more steps left.
In the jungle.
I'm out of breath already, honestly.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Today we are in La Fortuna Waterfall, which is beautiful waterfall. Hopefully you can see it behind us. And to get here we paid $16 per person, but it's for whole day. That means if you're gonna get here, you're gonna get a bracelet. You can go out, take a lunch, and you can come back. So it's really worth the money.
To get to the waterfall you need to walk like 500-600 stairs. Now it's the way down, so it'll be a little bit harder when we go back. But once you are there, you can take a swim in front of the waterfall and enjoy the beauty.
We're really excited to see this waterfall. It is small. I was joking. It's big.
I don't know if you can see them, guys, but here around are some little cute monkeys. They're like babies. Here. Here we are in front of this huge waterfall. It's like, I don't know, 100 meters high or maybe a little bit less, but it's really breathtaking. And as you can see, here are already some people who like to take a swim or who already did it. You can jump into the water, refresh yourself. I think it's really refreshing, but it's so beautiful. It looks super refreshing. If the waterfall is too much adventure for you, or you already have been there and now you would just want to relax, you can come here to this river. It's located next to the waterfall, and here it's really relaxing, so you just enjoy the time here, enjoy the beautiful nature and have a good time. Also here are some families with small children, so it's pretty easy to walk around here, to take a bath, refresh yourself, and it's not that dangerous like in front of the waterfall. How's it going?
It's okay.
Okay so far, eh?
Yeah.
But we just started.
Oh.
Only 490 more steps left.
Wow.
But the view is beautiful, eh?
Really beautiful.
Wow.
In the jungle.
They said it's much easier to go down, and they were definitely right, but it's okay. We walked like now 150-200 stairs, about 300 more are left, but we will do it. I'm out of breath already, honestly.
I feel like Rocky.
You're so motivated, huh?
For your ass.
What's cute about the way up is that you have like all 100 meters here this sign with a cute code, with a cute slot, and it's always written how far you are to the top, so it's now 300 steps more. right after the entrance you come to like a crossroad where you can decide if you go to the Botanical Garden or you go to the waterfall. So waterfall was in our case on the right side and the Botanical Garden was on the left side. It's a small Botanical Garden but still interesting once you are here.
Please do not touch the orchids. What orchids? I didn't see even one.
So you can't touch them.
Oh, there is one. Really tiny one.
We are done for today. It was a beautiful day, and even if the tickets is for the whole day, you don't want to spend the whole day here. I mean, it is beautiful. It is definitely worth a visit, but the water is really
Freaking cold.
So, but yeah, after you cool down once, it's getting okay. So it was great, and I would say about the half day here is
Yeah,
perfect.
it's enough.
Yeah. And now we are going home, and tomorrow the next adventure is waiting on us. Our La Fortuna visit is unfortunately coming to an end. We had a wonderful time here. It was so breathtaking. We really love this place. It was our first stop here in Costa Rica and we are super excited that we have some more in front of us.
You might think that La Fortuna is a really small city or village, but you've got so many things to do in here. We saw volcano, we did hot springs and also waterfall, and it was amazing. But of course you've got also canoping, you've got zip lining, you've got horseback riding and walk in the forest during the night, and you've got slot watching, so you can really enjoy your time in here. And yeah, it is really beautiful and we really recommend coming to this place.
We definitely lost our hearts here in La Fortuna. It's so amazing.
So thank you so much for watching. We hope you did like our video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks again and pura vida.